probably can hear this over the wind. I'll try and talk loud. I just walked up this hill, trying to this nice big hike, or walk I should say. Just did a little over a mile there going up the hill. Started recording part way up, about after a quarter of a mile. I started recording. I'm gonna keep going though. I'm gonna stop by and see if my gym is open. I hope, because there's no better way of fighting off, preventing me getting sick or fighting off a disease than exercising. You know, if you want to be cured of most illnesses out there, exercise and be in shape, you know, and not sitting on your ass all the time. So they'll say I'm gonna try and do a few miles. I did a little hike yesterday, kind of muddy where we were, so it didn't last very long. Well, the center's open, so I'm gonna go in and lift some weights. Sweet. It's good. Continue working out, lift some weights now. So I'll see you guys in there.
Llegó el photoshake. A ver, hágale los mazos.
¿Y esa camarita de dónde la sacó?
¿Le lleva? Yeah.
All right. Yeah. Here you go. Here's something to look at. Right there.
That is.
Well, no sooner did I get done working out, I just did a real quick weight session. This is the word I wasn't planning on it because I figured it's closed. But no sooner than I get done, find out they're closing. I get in here just in the nick of time. They're closing for 2 weeks at least, not a full month, but 2 weeks till April 1st. So I guess better than a full month, but I got in there just in the nick of time. Got in and done. All right, time to walk back home and. So since Earth is shutting down, or at least America is shutting down, precautions is one thing, but some of the shit I've been seeing this past 1 or 2 weeks is really a little overboard. Everybody said it's a pandemic, people are gonna die. It's been looking more like it's a damn panic instead of a pandemic. You do realize we're gonna have to live with this virus, right? It's not going away. It's gonna be back every year now. It's gonna be an annual virus. So are we gonna be going through this every year then? I suppose, if you want that. I don't. But yeah, we're not getting rid of it. It's here with us now. But basic precautions, like you do with every flu or flu season, you know, every major flu. I mean, this year was a really bad flu year, period. So we've had a lot of people, including young people, who have special high number of young people who have died from the flu this year. Hell, the swine flu is now an annual flu. In a few months, we'll have a vaccine for it. And those who are high risk will be getting them, you know, getting that vaccine. And then next year, there'll probably be something else coming out and we'll need to get another one, you know, every year. You know, this one may be a little bit worse than normal. This one is a very different version of the coronavirus, you know, but it's with us. It's here to stay. This panic and this hoarding is absurd, stupid, ridiculous, really. But to shut restaurants down and theaters and all that crap, I mean, for a few days or a week or whatever is one thing, but a full month in this state, a month is excessive. Also depending on how bad it is in the area, you know. Some states are harder hit than others, so maybe they be more aggressive in those areas too. But as of this point, this past regular flu year, oh shit, here comes the wind. The regular flu season has been far worse than this pandemic, or this damn panic. Anyways, just take basic precautions, and if you're really old, or if you're older, or weak immune systems, compromised immune systems, or have respiratory problems or whatever, yeah, you need to take the extra precautions. But most of us, well, just take basic precautions, and then, yeah. But this hoarding I've seen, empty shelves everywhere. Canned goods are gone, vegetables are gone, toilet paper is gone, even cat litter is gone. That's ridiculous. That's unnecessary and uncalled for. But regardless, if you can hear me over the wind, try and speak up a little bit. My photo adventures this summer, that's still going on. I'm still doing that. I mean, that's in July, so short of Armageddon or something, you know, mass extinction, nothing's going on. I'm still gonna hold it. Nothing's gonna stop me from that. But that's not till July. We're several months away. So it's still able to be signed up. You can sign up on it. You can go to my website. I'll be coming down in a lower area here, so might be out of the wind for a little bit. Alright, well, I'm a little bit lower. I'm somewhat sheltered from the wind. I mean, it's been going on for like 3 weeks now. Day and night, wind this time of year. March, April, into May. It's always a pain in the ass this time of year. Anyways, what was I gonna say? Shit, I forget. Oh yeah, my photo adventures. I mean, I just launched it, so everything's still available. Everything's open. But you can get to it on my website, sign up through my website, or said click on get tickets on my Instagram page. That'll take you to Eventbrite. That's where I'm selling tickets through. Sign up through there, and I'll see you in July then. Trust me, it'll be a damn good time too. Junk. Okay. Love that sound. Alright. Back in my garage now. At least now I'm out of the wind. That wind was ridiculous. Anyways, if you guys were wondering where I've been, I have not been able to get out for photos. I don't know how long. I did in January for an overnighter, but I didn't care for the way it came out. The video just came out. It just wasn't good lighting, so I just haven't been able to get out. 3 months working on that, my photo ventures, getting that together and getting the permitting process going. So that's going through that right now, the permit with the Forest Service and everything else. And it did take 3 months to do it. So, but if you're wondering why no photos, that's why. I'm getting out. I haven't gotten out. Hopefully I will here soon, but when the lockdown or freaking quarantine crap, man, who knows? But I'm gonna head back in the house. Dinner will be ready here soon, so at least I got a workout in today. Got some weights in, so just a little cardio. But all right, well, head on in.